Rakhi Sawant is now a proud owner of a BMW X1. The Bigg Boss family took to her Instagram and revealed the news of owning a hot red new BMW X1 car worth 43 lakhs. The swanky car was gifted to her by one of her closest friends, Shelly. Rakhi shared the entire look of her car in the video she posted along with Adil Khan, Durrani and Shelly. Also, the drama queen dropped a clip of driving the car. Her post comes after Rakhi claimed that she cannot afford expensive car like other actors. A few months back, Puffs had spotted Rakhi at a luxury car showroom. However, back then she had said that she could not afford to buy a car worth lakhs. But it is not the same anymore. Sharing the video, Rakhi wrote, "My new car gifted by my sweetheart Shelly and Raj Bhaiya. Will always have love and respect for you guys." Soon, many of her friends and fans congratulated Rakhi. Kashmira Shah, Salman Khan, and others showed love on the former Bigg Boss star.